I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself,
Are you Dr. Dolittle?
We've no choice but to embark on this perilous journey.
Everyone pack your bags!
You can talk to animals.
I hear babies cry, I watch them grow, they'll learn much more than I
It's okay to be scared.
know. And I think to myself,
Hello, Barry. Hello, lunch.
what a wonderful world.
Somehow, we just belong together.
Yes, I think to myself, oh, what a wonderful world.